So we're gonna be building the mini building blocks. It's smaller than it's smaller than the normal pieces. See, this one is so small. Look at compared to my hands. Look. So we're gonna. This is from the National Air and Space Museum, Smithsonian, and 389 pieces we're gonna be doing today. 89, 500, and then this is called the Lunar Lander, and this is what it's gonna look at the end. So we're gonna start building now. We're gonna get this. You always need one of these in your building. So you're gonna come here. You're just gonna open the top parts. You're just gonna find these parts. See? And then here you're gonna build it. So we're gonna put it here. We already made the first part. And now we're gonna make the second part. So we're gonna find it. 2 of these. And then 6 of those. 6. You can go to the Space Museum. It's there. There's even one with 1,000 pieces.
Where's the Space Museum?
The Space Museum is in the Washington. Yeah, Washington. And National Air and Space Museum. It's in the National Air Space Museum. There's lots of these. I want to put it on.
Eu não sei nem como é que achou isso. Eu sugiro que gastou tanto pra procurar, né?
You're using the different strategy now, huh? What's the strategy? Space shuttle.
Focus. Strategy.
It's not going to be there, is it? You have to count the numbers, where it's going to go, where it's going to land, where the flag is, where one of the arms going to land.
1, 2, 3. 15.
Space shuttle.
I'm using a different strategy. There we go. And now we're putting on.
Where about the other landing gear, landing legs? Patience and steady mind. Still mind you need. Focus. Huh? Strategic focus. You need strategic focus. In all your construction, everything you decide in your mind. Do you understand?
Big project. What are we gonna do with these ones? What are we gonna do with this? Is it
You're
even?
done. That's it. You fixed it.
So now,
Ready to construct?
So we're just gonna do that, I think. Put it like that, or
Is that it?